Welcome to this tutorial on how to make and edit a table of contents in Google Docs. First, open a document in Google Docs and click where you want to add the table of contents. Typically, you'll want to add it on the first page. Next, click on Insert, and then Table of Contents. You'll then have two options for how your table will look, with page numbers or with blue links. If you're planning to print your document, choose page numbers. If your document remains digital, choose blue links. Google Docs will automatically convert any headings you've written into sections within your table of content. If you haven't written any headings yet, you'll be prompted to add a heading to start. To edit your table, simply add or change the placement of your headings and refresh the page to see the table update. You can view or hide the table anytime by clicking the Document Outline arrow on the left. You can also add a document summary just underneath to help inform readers. Finally, you can customize the style and color of your headings or add special characters to highlight their subsections in the table. Click on Format, and then Paragraph Styles, to find a selection of various formats. That's it. Thank you for watching.